Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A71, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down, locate and open device care, and then go to the security. Click on activate, and all you have to do to perform a security scan is to tap on this blue tab, which is scan phone. And now it will be automatically done, you just have to wait a couple of seconds until it's finished. And that's it. As you can see, your device is secure, so no need to worry. And that would be all. So this is it. This is how you can perform a virus scan in your Samsung Galaxy A71. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.